Hey, morning, everybody. How you doing? 9:15, right? I don't usually pop in this early. I know I guess you couldn't hear me this morning. Um, but I'm gonna take a look here quick now that we were talking about the staples, right? And we talked about this yesterday too. And I said this is going to be the most difficult part to get through here. All right. Definitely this was, and look what happened. You got to the upside and then they surrendered. All right. Healthcare, I think, is still a little bit better on XLV, but they fell apart as well. And what happens is, the buyers step in on the tech and la, la, la. Okay. So, and then XLV kind of gets stuck in the middle coming back down. All right. But looking at it kind of from hindsight, um, the diamonds just really came out with the smoke show with the 2 hour here to start the day. All right. Now we knew that the SPY was down, and we knew that the Qs were down heavy. Okay. Now we got Intel back up. We got XLK made a huge move back up to the upside. So, but I think you're still in the right groups here, guys, with the healthcare and in the staples. All right, buy the staples on weakness. And like I said, today, if the markets rise, these staples are going to come back on us. All right, and you know that. All right, so today was a good day. Like I got out of my XLP position today, coming back up because we had a nice big move, juicy move here this morning. And here's the SPY is in the Qs puking, and then Diamonds makes the big move, and now them Diamonds are still holding, believe it or not, but everybody else is still coming back down now. So here's your XLV, just too much, right? You know what happened is everybody got sucked in. Buyers were in here like crazy, and now you know what's going on. They're all getting out. All right. Pepsi going down to the lows right now. Coca Cola going back down to the lows right now. All right. So this group is still really good. All right. It's going to be better. One of these days, the market will change. Bet on it. All right. I'm going to say you can bet on it. All right. But anyhow, Coca Cola coming back down here right now. So you see the Pepsis and all these other guys, they're all starting to break down. Now, what happens? Let's go back to the scene of the crime. And I mean the scene of the crime. Triple Qs. All right. On the 15s, I think I might have to even go a bit sexier to make them look on the fiver. Let's see, coming out of the overnights right here. All right. So we didn't get anything actionable at all. We got the shooter down, 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 right? They came down heavy. Okay. Made a new low, 686.76. We did not hit our support number either. Okay. So, boom. There's reverses and they turn around and they move. Who are these buyers? That's what I want to know. Okay. Because typically, everybody talks about the strat all the time. You know, you know, you got months and weeks that are red. Rob wouldn't be telling you to be chasing tech stocks when your quarter and your month and your week and your day are red. Okay? It's as simple as that. All right, so QQQs, that was the move back up. And that was just a 222 thing. I don't like that. I like that insider. All right, so here's how it triggered here. You got two down on the beginning of the day, did not make that low, but right in here, we looks like we got. Is that really close to a double bottom there? 740.80, 740.84, only off by 4 cents, but that looks like a double bottom, and then boom. All right, so they ran up. Okay, so they ran up. You're going to run into that week. Okay, you are going to run into that week. All right, you're already starting to see it. All right, so watch your staples. We like these things coming down. We're looking to continue to be sticking with these things. All right, Tech has issues. Now, who's ever stepping in to buy these things today, well, good luck to them. All right. And that's what I'm sticking with. All right. So let's take a look at SpaceX. Right? S- SPCX. Look at this thing. Okay. Is this telling you something? $80 is what they say. I don't know. I don't think it's going to get to $80. But I'm telling you, the stock is depressed. Okay. And $50 billion by BlackRock. Okay. So we'll see about any of all that, right? So staples are starting to firm up here a little bit now, come back down here, but I wouldn't go for them right now. All right, let this thing shake out, right? This is a big move to the upside. They puked them out, and now you're gonna just have to wait now on Q's. All right, she's already starting to run into some troubles here on the 5, but I'd rather look at the 15s. All right, so here we are coming back inside right now. All right, please, I beg of you, don't go chasing these things. Okay, you're gonna you're not gonna you might get a little bit of gratitude right off the bat by running these things up, but I don't think that it's good for your wealth or your health. Okay, all right. So I had to get back on because I did. I made a absolutely beautiful video, but I didn't have the sound on. So again, um, it is what it is. All right. So JD, watch for the Chiners. I think they're still really good. All right. I see JD fighting back already here. I'm starting to see these things. I think these things are going higher. All right. I like these China stocks. I like Alibaba. I like Billy Baru, and I like Baidu as well. Baidu, but they kind of they made a move here, and then they stalled out. Okay, now they're stalled. Okay, all right. Now we know that JD opened a little lower here. Let's see about that one. All right, Billy Baru. I love it. All right, gap down and they're buying. They gap down and they're buying. All right, these things will get better. They'll get better today. Baba, all right, gap her down and they're buying. It's up on the highs of the high day right now. Okay, Baidu, BIDU. I'd be real happier to be buying these than be buying Intel at 95.09, who's down heavy on the week, heavy on the month, heavy on the week. It's two down on the month. You don't buy things that are two down on a month. I mean, unless you're trying to, you know, pick up a couple of 30s up, and then you want to dump them. That's fine. If that's what you do, then that's good for you. All right, because I don't know what all you all do. All right, but I'm just going to teach you the way I was taught. All right, so NCLH and those cruise ships, again, another group that really thought that they had it going on this morning until they said no. Okay, NCLH. So I don't know about that discretionary group right now. I'm going to say this, and I'm going to get off here. Sorry for not talking talking to you. Stick with these Chiners. I like them. I think they're good. Um, and we'll see what happens. Staples, I love them. I love them. I love them. But let them come down now. All right, now they capitulated. They went up and made the highs, and now you're gonna have to wallow with it for a while, right? You got coming back down. All right, made the new high. That's why I dumped them on this move up, and then I thought maybe they would continue to get some more. I didn't know what we would get out of this, but watch, please, Qs. Watch the Qs and the spies. I have a pretty good inkling that maybe not today, that they will come back in. All right, be good, be good.